Hello and welcome to another Andover Classic Motorcycle Workshop video. Obviously every week we get loads of bikes through the workshop working on lots of different problems. This has been a particularly interesting bike. This is the Commando 750 High Rider, a big favourite of our MD as well, Carl. There's not many of these around the world. In fact, we think there's probably only around about 50 of them ever sold before the rest were converted into roadsters to get them sold a little bit further down the line. It's got a 9-litre tank with a huge one Hobbit seat with a sissy bar on the back, and it's really fantastically finished off with those ape hanger handlebars as well. This particular bike was brought in for quite a bit of work, to be fair. This included replacing and putting in entirely new isolastics, a brand new clutch, new tyres, new carbs, a full oil service as well, repairing and replacing of the front and rear wheel bearings and brake shoes, amongst loads of other jobs. We also had the tank needed to be sealed and repaired. We fitted a brand new tri-spark ignition kit along with an Alton electric start kit as well. And then the owner told us as well about a little bit of an issue they had when they went out for a ride and the bike just suddenly stopped. So upon a little bit more further diagnosis, we found after a short test run-up that the engine and monitoring of various components meant that the oil flow rate was far down. The oil pump had a complete failure, which had in turn seized one of the pistons on the customer's ride. We stripped the timing case off. This clarified that the oil pump had gone through a huge amount of pain and torture, and it must have picked up some foreign objects at some point as well, because all the oil was really blackened around the timing side and had had excessive heat cycles. Our work then was to do a complete flush of the system and replace and rebuild. When sizing everything, we discovered a bit of discrepancy as well in the cylinder sizes, so we had the whole system rebored to equal sizing and brand new pistons put in again, so we had perfect clearances made, the engine like it was brand new again with a complete set of seals, gaskets, bearings. We gave it loads of cleaning, and we made sure this 750 was like brand new inside and out as much as we possibly could do, but still keeping that great character and patina of this fantastic little bike. We're really happy with how it went out of the workshop, and so as a customer we had a nice call off them about a week or so after they got the bike back, telling us they'd had some very enjoyable mileage on it. In fact, they'd done a few hundred miles over the last 7 days, so that's not bad going, is it, to be fair. Fantastic bike, really love this one, been great to work on. And of course, if you have any issues with your bikes and you're struggling with a particular problem, why not get in touch with us here at Andover Classic Motorcycle Workshop, and we'll be more than happy to talk through what your issue is, get your bike in and diagnose the problem, and hopefully get it sorted for you as well. Thanks ever so much for watching, and until next time, safe riding.